Hello and welcome to the video. Hello, Voicify enthusiasts. Are you itching to experiment with all the amazing voice-powered features Voicify.ai has to offer, but your budget's whispering sweet nothings in your ear? I'm so broke. But don't worry, this guide will explore all known methods for snagging some free credits and unleashing your creative voice. There are still a few ways to grab some credits without reaching for your wallet. Here's how you can become a credit-earning voicerist. Number 1. Become a Voicify.ai promo hunter. Voicify.ai understands the power of promotions, and they occasionally bless users with free credit giveaways. To stay ahead of the game, you'll need to be a proactive participant, and here is your battle plan. Number 1. Scout their website regularly. Treat the Voicify.ai website like your favorite store. Check in frequently to see if any exciting promotions are happening. They might be hidden in blog posts, banners, or even cleverly disguised Easter eggs. Probably not, but keep an eye out, just in case. Number 2. Sign up for the newsletter. This is your direct line to free credit intel. Subscribing to their newsletter ensures you get updates about promotions delivered straight to your inbox. No more frantically refreshing the website, because knowledge is power, and this newsletter holds the key. Our next solution is to unleash your inner hamster combat social butterfly. Social media is very useful here. Why? Use it to share your Voicify creations. Pumped about alone I'm the honored one from Gojo Voice project you just created? Don't keep it to yourself! Share it on social media platforms like Instagram, TikTok, or Twitter. Not only will you be spreading the Voicify love, but you'll also be earning credits for each share. Up to 3 credits per share with a daily limit of 30. So get creative, share your work, and watch those credits pile up. Next is you can become a community superstar. But this is not sure yet. But there might be whispers of earning credits through engaging with the Voicify community. While this information isn't officially confirmed on their website, here's how you can investigate further. Number 1. Check out their social media channels like Facebook, groups, or Discord servers. Look for any announcements about community events or challenges that offer credits as prizes. Number 2. Dive into the Voicify help desk. You can type in help.voicify.ai and search for any mentions of a community program. They might be hiding some valuable intel in there. Remember, the information about earning credits through community engagement is unconfirmed. Always refer to Voicify's official channels for the latest and most accurate details. By following these strategies, you can transform yourself into a free credit earning machine. With a little effort and some social media magic, you'll have enough credits to fuel your creative fire and explore the full potential of Voicify.ai. So what are you waiting for? Get out there, start sharing your voice, and watch those credits roll in. Thanks for watching.